Hello everyone, welcome in a video of YouTube. This side Pratik from Prepnik, which provide all daily affairs, news, and important study material free of cost for contribution in education. Let's start our video that is based on the popular topic UFO file released by USO government. A complete overview and analysis are given. So let's start. So basically, in these total documents, they are mainly talk about 162 classified disclassified material that is released by US government on 8th May 2026. And these documents are released by NASA Department of Defense, which is a popular defense department of USA, and FBI, and next is State Department. Okay, in these documents, there are 162 files are released, 80, 80 plus videos released, 42 plus report release, and 20 plus photos released, and various data set. Okay, main content categories are following, that is pilot testimonies, and there's also included radar sensor data, airflow footages, Apollo mission records, historical documents, that is mainly from 1940s to 2020s, and civilian and military observations. This is also contribute in any documents. So let's start with the following discussed case. First discussed case is ORB launching ORBS, that is Orange Ops observed releasing small object in the sky during Apollo missions. Orange Ops ball like structure are seen, that is smaller object released, seen by multiple witness including law enforcement. No radar confirmation of alien technology. This is not a confirmation of alien. Next is there also a bright spot, strange light capturing Apollo 12 and 17. uh, According to scientists, they are likely to cause reflections, debris, or camera artifacts. That is not also clarified things is in these documents that alien are existence. Okay, next is ball shaped object in the missions. There's also seen a football shaped object. Infrared footage of an over Indo-Pacific uh, in the Indo-Pacific. Infrared photos are also included in these documents. Shape dissociation, commonly thermal sensor. Maybe it caused the thermal sensors. Could be aircraft, drone, or sensor effect. Might be. It also disqualified or classified the existence of alien. Next is the super hot orb. It is also included in this documents. It is reported by aircraft crew during night mission. This phenomenon or this event was firstly seen by aircraft crew during night missions, split into multiple objects, and varies no physical evidence recovered. After this scene, there is no physical evidence recovered. Next is triangular light. What is triangular light? This is also included in this documents. This is basically a three dot light seen in sky. Triangular formation of light seen in multiple report also it is included. Next is could be drone, aircraft, and atmospheric effect. According to scientists, it could be atmospheric effect. The analyze of a whole documents in this, we can see in the bottom, that is analyze what the file really show. This is very important to know us. In this file, misidentified object sensor error is about 40%, and advanced drone military tech is about 30%. Atmospheric slash optical phenomenon is also 20%, and truly unknown is 10%. So we can let to we know that there is no any proof of existence of alien. We can now talk about key insight of this case. Most case lack complete data, means most of the cases that are included in this file are lack of complete data. It is not gives us complete data. Infrared radar system can create visual distortion. Many incidents occur in high stress and low visibility environment. No confirmation evidence of external life and technology. In this, basically in these documents, there is no any proof of existence of extraterrestrial life or technologies. Next is evidence quality. What you can evidence quality. What is evidence quality? Quality of this file, high, if 0 to 5% is high. Few above, few cases with multiple sensor confirmation. Only few cases are sensor confirmed. Some cases with partial data. There's a no complete data about any other cases. Some cases, most cases are incomplete, blurry and considered. And many and most cases, most footage file cases are very incomplete, blurry and inconsistent. So it also gives us what question mark that is alien real. So the scientists are contribute many much in these files, and might be hide many information from us. Next is possible explanation from the most directly, from the most likely to least likely. This is also important in this. A sensor camera artifact, heat resistance very high, very high. High probability, very high probability is sensor and camera artifacts. High probability misidentified object, secret military technology, natural phenomenon also existence in this file, and extraterrestrial spacecraft. No confirmed proof, currently no scientific evidence, very low probability. And now we can move to the conclusion, that is sixth part of our video. And it is that is this release increase transparency and provide value data for researcher. It basically release for the researcher to contribute in this file more much than the scientist. Government take UAP seriously due to national security concern. Yes, very very interesting. That is no file evidence, conclusive evidence of the alien. In this file there is no any proof of existence of alien. That is very 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 bold language I can to be said. Unidentified does not means by extraterrestrial. Unidentified is not mean by extraterrestrial. Stay curious, stay logical, demand evidence, always demand evidence. Okay. uh, Next is the universe is whose life elsewhere is possible. Explorers claim require extraordinary evidence. Science is about constantly testing and verifying. The research of life continue. This is whole overview analysis in this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next video. So please subscribe our channel. This channels provide free educations to all the students of the world and contribute in education. Thank you. Have a nice day.